Today I'll teach you how to do electrical, okay? So let's start from beginning. So before you guys install the electrical or any mechanical, you have to have it water barrier house. All windows have to be installed. Okay, this is by the code, by the law. So let's do this. The first, you need to have a plan, right? So right here, so we have electrical plan. So what I'm looking first, where the panel goes, where the sub panel goes. In my situation, I have 200 amp electrical panel and I have sub panel. So let me start from beginning, okay? So let's see. Bedroom 1, we have one switch, couple outlets, and one light. Okay, so this is my bedroom 1. This is what I see. I have window. So looks like here it's gonna be desk. When I spoke with homeowner, it's gonna be a desk. And TV goes here. We should add a couple blocks. And what else? We have closet, we have door, we have bed. Bed is gonna be here. Okay, so TV goes there, bed goes here. You just chill here. So 9 main stands goes left and right. And this is where I'm start. The whole point, I'll tell you this. You can follow it by the plan exactly inch by inch, but it's not always correct. You have to think. You have to think how gonna be going couches and everything. So let me show you how I'm thinking. Here it goes TV, right? Okay. So we need to have it outlets here. Okay. So let's do this. So we have TV. If it goes here, and if it's going to be hanging the TV, we need to bring one more outlet. So we'll do one more outlet, and I'm using 64 inches. Okay. So right here it's going to be desk. Okay. So if it's going desk, so we have computer. So I need couple outlets here, definitely. So I'll add it here, outlet. So right here it's window. What I like it do it, some people put in the middle the window, put the outlets. Nothing wrong with this, but I'd like to hiding. So I know it's going to be curtain. If it's going to be curtain, curtain goes here and here. I prefer to put the outlets here. So it's underneath the curtain. So last stuff in the wall. So here it's go bed. So bed goes here. We have 9 main stands left and right. So we need to add a couple outlets for telephone, for light. Okay. Again, by the law, 3 feet wall have to have it outlet. Like this wall doesn't have to have it outlet. Let me take the tape measure and see it. So this wall, you can see it. It's less than the 3 feet. By the law, we don't have to put the outlet, okay? So every wall, 12 feet, have to have it outlet. If you step out here, you see this wall. Let me measure it. Okay, we have it 12 feet, almost 12 feet, 11.8. So I can put one outlet and I can pass the inspection. And like I said, the reason why I'm not just followed by the code and put like just one outlet, and that's it, and go away. The reason why I'm tried thinking where go furniture, where go couch, where it's gonna be everything set up. Okay, so we have switch goes here, right? Because we come here, we open the door, and we have switch. Okay, so we have single switch. And let me show you the marks. The reason why I'm doing those marks, all my marks in the floor, and the studs where I want to go in the floor. Okay, the reason only one. I'll show you here like example. So many times I have issue when sheetrock guys come and install quickly sheetrock, and you guys came, man, where is my outlets? Where is my switches? Not all, but some missing. This is stuff, just magic. This is sheetrock. Just I don't have a sheetrock in my job site. When those guys install the sheetrock, you still have it marked. Okay, so you know exactly where is your outlet behind the sheetrock. Okay, and I know the dimensions. So we are done right here in this room. It's take me like one minute with explanation. So first I mark everything where it goes. So kitchen, hallway, family room, living room, laundry, baths, master suite, you know, every room have to be marked. So after I marked every room, every hallway, every room I marked, I finish. So I have the idea where it goes outlets and switches. So next step will put the boxes. So right here, we just did it for you guys to show you example. This is made in a job site. Maybe I should do next time video how to make it. But guys, this is, look at this job. It works perfectly, one-time use. There isn't one-time use. I don't want to keep it this. I'm not the electricity company, okay? I'm builder. So for next job, it's going to be in my way, in my truck or in my trailer. So this is made from scrap, what we have in the job site. 2x4s, you can see it, we screws it. Here I did it notch, it goes together, okay? Wiring, and we use the staplers, cross, okay? So right here it's nail. So what's this for? For wiring. Right here, this is the white one. You just set it up right there. This is our ending. You just tighten it out. Okay, this is our beginning. Okay. So right here, boys, this is set up good to go for my crew. Okay. So let me show you. Right here. Alrighty, and we put the hook. It's good to go. So this is when you pull the wire, it's spinning. Okay. Alrighty, boys, let's do this. I'll show you another one jig. Okay, for outlets and switches. Okay. Yes, of course, you can use the laser. Some people use the laser and follow it by the line. We are talking about simple thing what you have on a job site, how to do it. Okay, you can use the tape measure and measure it every outlet. You can measure it and mark it. You can do that way too, but I have cool thing. Let me do it for you. Let's go, follow me. So let's go outside, let's find a 2x4. This is our junkyard. Let's see, right here the 2x4. I'll show you how to do another jig. This is guide jig. Let's call this way. This is the guide jig for outlets and switches. Okay, and I need approximately around 5 feet. There we go, follow me. We have 2x4, good to go. So here we go. The outlets and switches. Let me show you here. Like, I like it do outlet 16 from top and go to the bottom, and 48 switches from top, go to the bottom. So let's mark here. So we'll do, okay, 16 inches. This is gonna be our outlets, and 48, this is switches, okay? So this is good to go, right there. This is the outlet. So we'll mark it. This is the outlets, we'll do sine outlets, and this one is going to be switches. Okay, so we have screws, 3-inch screw, do it all the way through. Okay, and flip the board. Let's do for outlets, 3-inch screw all the way. Okay, easy. So the jig is ready to go. We have outlets, we have switches. Let me show you how this works. So you come over here to the bedroom. Okay, you have all marks in the floor. Alrighty, so the switch we have here, you put against to the floor. Okay, and right here my box goes switch. So I'll mark the line right there. It's done. Okay, and I'm following by the circle. So I'm come here, I'm going here. I have outlets, and I put it in, and I marked. Okay, done. Here, done. Here, done. Here, done. Here, done. And this one I have to do manually by the hand. And like I said, this is going to be for TV, and I'd like to use it 64 inches from floor. It's ready here. This is our top. Always I'm using the top. So right here we have single box. To install the single box, we have line. Okay, we just follow it by the eye, and you see those lips too. So this is the thickness of sheetrock. Okay, so we just holding the box and just nail it. Okay. And again, guys, make sure it's in the level. If not, you need to adjust sometimes to bring good level. Alrighty, boys. So, like I said, what we just did this room quickly and fast and easy. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 outlets I have. Okay, and 1 switch. Okay, we are using single hung box for outlets and switches in the same box.